In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the site to find the official guidance and live support you need so you can move your case forward confidently and stay within Dhgate's policies and timelines. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Using a desktop browser gives you the clearest layout, but the steps are similar on mobile. Before you begin, it's helpful to have your order details handy, things like your order number, the date you purchased, and a brief description of the issue. You won't type them yet, but having them ready will make the process smoother once you're in the support area. Next, look to the top right of the homepage and click on Customer Service. This is your gateway to Dhgate's Help Center. Depending on your location, you might see it labeled slightly differently, but it's typically in the upper navigation bar. If a pop-up prompts you to sign in or confirm your account, that's normal for accessing personalized help, and it ensures any guidance is tied to your actual order. Once you're in the Help Center, scroll down the page and click Online Service. This connects you to Dhgate's live support experience, where you can chat with an agent or use automated guidance tailored to your issue. When you're ready to describe your situation, keep your summary clear and factual. State what you ordered, what went wrong, and what outcome you're seeking, such as a refund, a replacement, or another resolution. If you're asked for evidence later, typical items include photos of damaged goods, tracking screenshots, or chat history with the seller, so keep those available. Within the support area, locate the dispute zone and click FAQ. This is where Dhgate outlines how disputes work on their platform, including important time windows for opening a case, what qualifies for a refund, and how escrow and shipment confirmation affect your eligibility. The FAQ will also explain what types of disputes are available, how evidence is evaluated, and what to expect in terms of processing times and possible outcomes. Reading this section carefully will save you time and help you avoid mistakes, like missing deadlines or submitting incomplete information. To recap the flow, go to dhgate.com, click Customer Service at the top right, scroll down to Online Service, and then in the Dispute Zone, open the FAQ. Use the information there to understand your options, and follow the guidance provided in chat if you need hands-on help. Keep all communication within the platform, stay polite and precise, and track any dates or messages related to your case. That's the clearest path to resolving your issue successfully on Dhgate.